Alright, so I'm here working in Photoshop and I want to just show you exactly how I edited the photo that I posted on my Instagram earlier today. So here is a look at these selection tools. We have to talk about the selection tools to be able to start masking anything. Here we go. So the selection tools all live in the top hand corner of the toolbar. So here is a circle, and to mask a circle, I click this mask button down here. Okay, go ahead and delete that. The second selection tool is this lasso, polygonal lasso, and magnetic lasso. So this one I can click and drag, and does a really good job of sticking to colors that have a lot of contrast. And once I do that, I can go ahead and, you guessed it, click the button, mask. Another tool that I really like is this one here. I have an object selection tool. So if I click that and click right on the area that I want to object select, it's going to do a pretty good job of letting me grab it in just one click. The last way that you can refine a mask that's really important is this paintbrush here. So making sure that I have the mask selected and not the actual artwork selected, because in that case I would be just drawing on top of the photo. Undo. I'm going to click on the mask and use this in black to start getting rid of it, and in white to start adding it back. I hope that was kind of cool for you and you learned something. If you're interested in learning Photoshop, let me know. I have offers for private lessons and packages and one-on-one, one-time meetings so that you can ask a bunch of questions and figure out how all this stuff works. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.